AI 应用真多元，即马到香港人团队利用 AI 技术研发出一款布料，这人比手细衫裤的布料都会变换色水。
阿面幕的电视台面顶，模特儿穿着一身躯乌衫，乌衫的正面慢慢改变的光，吸引真侪人注意。因为这个光会改变，毋是家己变化，是利用 AI 人工智慧，用手机伫后台控制变化。
We have used a polymeric optical fiber with textile-based yarns. So when you touch it, you can see that the hand feel is just like any ordinary knitted fabric. So it actually is very soft and very tactile. The POFs are actually transmitters of light. So light travels from one point to the other. We actually do a surface treatment so that the light actually also travels through the lateral side of the fabric.
这是香港的研究团队研发的智慧变色布料，用医疗甲汽车产业常常咧用的塑胶钢纤，加入迷你镜头加 AI 的技术，互布料会当看有人类的手势改变色水。像用大镜头啊比针，布料会转做蓝色；像镜头啊比爱心是变做粉红色。
People with dementia, people with learning challenges. So it actually encourages their well-being and gives them a sense of calm and also a very easy way for them to have engagement and direct response. So by having a simple gesture or simple movement, they can see a color change.
因为布料可以当用手机啊甲遥控器变色，香港理工大学教授陈天瑞表示，未来这款布料会应用伫复健器材。另外，变色的技术嘛对服装的艺术发展有帮助。因为布料的色水会当改变，嘛会当减少少年人买物件的时阵拄着介意的衫，就会全部色水拢买起来。伫个无介意了后，就甲全部同款的衫拢单调的歹习惯。公司新闻台是东平友。